Well, as you can see, guys, these are nuts huts. These are the accommodation that you can stay in. Don't know much about them. I'll have to ask the hostess, sorry, when we get back up there. But what a cool place to stay. We're so deep in the jungle. Jungle canopy above us. We're right beside Loboc River. And as you can see, guys, just an absolutely amazing place. Stunning. Look at this cool, authentic looking little house thing. What a cool place. Hello. Cool little huts. And there's more way over there.